Are you worried about setting up a system in order to conduct online sessions for your preschool? Are you aware of the security settings in order to secure your online sessions? Do you know how to modify or redesign the existing curriculum for conducting online sessions? Are you ready to adapt to the new way of learning? If you have the above questions, I have come up with a short online course just for you. My name is Sanket and I am a preschool coach and founder and director at Creative 31 Minds. Welcome to the online preschool setup challenge. In this course, I am going to take you through the step-by-step process of how you can start conducting online sessions for your preschool. The course is divided in 4 sessions. Session number 1. Tools required to set up an online preschool. In this session, I'll be talking about the required hardware and the required software in order to set up a system so that you can start conducting online sessions. Session number 2 is about setting up the right system. Now, this is the most important session in the whole course. In this session, I'll be covering topics like how to sign up for a Zoom account, setting up your preschool profile on Zoom, required security setting, conducting an online session, scheduling an online session, screen sharing and audio settings, video sharing and whiteboard sharing. In this session, I'll also be helping you out in getting registered for a bulk SMS portal. Getting registered on a bulk SMS portal will help you in scheduling messages to the existing parents as and when the online sessions are scheduled. I'll also be taking you through how you can create a contact list on this bulk SMS portal so that the messages can be separately delivered to parents of playgroup, nursery, junior KG as well as senior KG. At the end of this session, I'll also be talking about WhatsApp list. In this topic, I'll be guiding you on how you can create broadcast as well as WhatsApp groups so that you can communicate the schedule of your online sessions with your parents. The third session is designing online curriculum. Now I'm sure you all have a curriculum in place, but then this curriculum is designed in order to be delivered in a physical class. In order to conduct an online session, this curriculum will have to be modified or redesigned so that it can be delivered in an online session. I'll be talking about how you can convert the offline curriculum into an online curriculum, making a schedule for your online session, creating a presentation for the online session, and also making assignments with the help of Google Forms. In the last session, that is the 4th session, I will be talking about setting up the right environment. In this session, I'll be talking about how you can set up the right background before you start taking online sessions and what kind of light arrangements are the best so that your online session turns out to be a professional session. If you really want to learn and adapt to the new way of learning, set up your system in order to start conducting online sessions today. Click the below link now and take up the course today.